Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to tackle an important question: how do I scale a microservice running in Amazon EKS based on CPU usage? This is an essential topic if you're dabbling in DevOps or using Kubernetes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to scale your application seamlessly to maintain optimal performance. Let's begin. First off, let's discuss what EKS is. EKS stands for Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service. This is a fully managed service that makes it easy for you to run Kubernetes on AWS without needing to install, operate, and maintain your own Kubernetes control plane or worker nodes. Now you might wonder, what exactly does it mean to scale based on CPU usage? Well, CPU usage is a measure of how much computational power your application is using. If it's using too much, it can slow down or even crash, which we definitely don't want. On the other hand, if your CPU usage is too low, you might be wasting resources. So, we want to scale or adjust our application's resources to match the CPU usage as closely as possible. To do this in EKS, we will be using a Kubernetes feature called Horizontal Pod Auto-Scaling, or HPA for short. The HPA automatically scales the number of pods in a replication controller, deployment, replica set or stateful set based on the CPU utilization. So, how does this work? Well, Kubernetes periodically checks the CPU usage of the pods compared to the target defined by us. If the usage is too high, it will automatically create new pods to handle the load. If the usage is too low, it will shut down unnecessary pods. This means that your application will always have the right amount of resources to run smoothly. Setting up HPA begins with defining a target CPU utilization percentage for your pods. For instance, you may set it to 50%, meaning if the average CPU usage across all pods exceeds 50%, Kubernetes will scale out your application. Conversely, if the usage falls below this target, it will scale in. To actually set this up, you need to run the following command in the Kubernetes command line, or kubectl. Kubectl autoscale deployment_name, CPU% equals 50, min equals 1, max equals 10. This command will create a horizontal pod autoscaler that maintains between 1 and 10 replicas of the pods controlled by the deployment_name deployment. And that's it. By using AWS EKS and Kubernetes HPA, you can automatically scale your microservices based on CPU usage, making sure your applications run smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this tutorial on scaling based on CPU usage in EKS. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We also have many other videos on AWS, Docker, DevOps, and Kubernetes, so feel free to check those out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.